So we're going to talk about sharing from the browser in OneDrive. So this is if you want to share from inside your browser. And then I'm going to also talk about sharing from in your My Computer folder or something like that, if you're just on your desktop and you want to share. So here's the browser version. Let's say that I want to share this test Word document. You see there's a share button right there I can click. You see that there is a share button right there I can click. And if you right click on this, you will also see a share. Similarly, this copy link is another way of sharing. You can see it up there, you can see it there. And if you go on this, I think it has copy link. So I'm going to go ahead and do it from here. And I'm going to say share this document. And you see right here, it again gives me the option to copy link. So that's kind of the point. You can really copy the link or share from both locations. And all the differences is copy link allows you to just copy the link and send it to someone versus having this auto email that's going to send. So I'm going to share it with specific people. You have a few different options here. You can share it to anyone with a link, people in the state of Hawaii with a link, people with existing access, or specific people. Of course, people with existing access, all that's doing is just sending them something saying you can have this. And you can also set like whether you want them to be able to edit or just to reread only. You have a couple of different things like opening it in review mode. This allows people to leave comments, but not necessarily to change the document. Or you can, if you're not allowing editing, you can even block them from downloading it, meaning that if there's a document you want people to be able to see, but not necessarily to be able to download and then edit on their own computer, that's when you would use this. So those are your different share options. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to choose specific people. I'm going to allow editing, and I will say apply, and then next it actually lets you specify the people. So you could just type in the name of the person you want to share it with and then add a message to that person. I want to share this with you, and go ahead and press send. You see it sends them an email with a link. Okay, so that's what's going to happen when you share from any of those options. It's going to look just the same, whether you hit it up here or hit it down here. By the way, if you hit it up here, what you're going to want to do is select what you want to share first. It's going to try to share the whole folder. But whichever method you use, it will share it. Now, let's say that instead of sending it in this format, you want to copy the link. So you can do that too. Okay, so now there's a shareable link. And when you press copy link, you'll get this screen first. So here you can say it already had the people I can specify, I can edit, and I already specified that thing. So I could copy it, and then I could go maybe to my email and share that. So that's how that works. Now, one more thing about sharing, and it actually looks just the same almost on your desktop. So here we are in OneDrive on my desktop, and I'm going to share this test PowerPoint. You see how like this one shows shared because I just shared it? So now I want to share maybe this one. So it's exactly the same, but you right click and you click share. So just the right click option still works on here, and then you see you get the same screen that we got before. So that's another way to share your documents from your desktop. And then the first way is from your browser. But this allows you to share with anybody. It can be outside, inside, however you want to share it. So that's really a great advantage of using OneDrive is you have that full control over who you share what with.